back to my channel. Today I have a really quick 3-minute DIY hack that you can make using a cloth and paper freebie. So whenever I'm unpacking my boxes, I'm always saving anything that comes in addition to my order. You're probably familiar with these. So it would be on one side, it's usually printed, and then on the other side it might be a thank you, or it might have been something that told you about this month's box, some information. We used to get those. Or it's, you know, just a neat picture and then again a thank you. Maybe there's a code on there. Well, one of the ones that I got recently was my absolute favorite. And that's because it's of the Tombows. So I love Tombows, and if you've watched some of my other videos, you've seen ways I store them, ways I use them, and not some more hacks. These are my 3 favorites, very neutral. This is not really white, it's a very pale gray. Anyway, back to these cards. So I was fortunate enough in a couple of orders to receive 2 of these. So what I did is I laminated 2 front and back of the same card. You could use just 1 card if you don't mind seeing the thank you message on the back, or you could use 2 different cards. After I laminated it, I applied an adhesive pocket to the front of it. This particular one came in the organizer sub box, and the size was perfect on it. Then what I do is inside the pocket, I put some Post-it notes or stickies, and I leave 1 out. So what happens is I can use this to write notes, and then when I'm done, I can just rip that sheet and go. What's really cool about it is it gives you something a little bit more substantial, and it's not just a Post-it pad that can fall out somewhere, because this works really well to like stick in your planner and then go. It can also go inside a pocket in your planner. If you have a very large adhesive pocket, it can go inside of that. But it's just really handy dandy to have inside your planner and be able to grab it out to use. So any of the items that I show you in my videos, I link down below if that's of use to you. Appreciate the time you've spent with me today. Hope you'll subscribe if you haven't already. There's a subscribe button, and please follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. If you have other ideas for hacks or other suggestions for additional videos, I would love to hear them. Thanks for tuning in today. See you next time.